Ere thirikari na mubango wa kwendia honge imwe cia muingi kuri andu kiumbwe imwe yacio ari nyumba ya mishemanio ya KCC undu uria warugamirio ni igoti kuhitukira jaji Chacha Mwita akiuga ati maundu mamwe no nginyagia mamurikwo weruke watho rundu umwe na gatiba. Muthenya wa umuthi mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura akiaria na andiki a mohoro ugite ati thirikari ni igite keheri-ini ciringi milioni 2 iria guteithiriria gwaka weru nyumba iyo.
Is actually iconic. All of us associate Nairobi with the tower that we are just in right now. So Kenya is not selling KICC. It's just to maximize the potential, the value, putting about 2 billion or so right now, and it's an ongoing process, an 11-year program that has been going on, so that then we can not just use this place for offices, we use it for and getting money.
Mwaura thirikari ndi na mubango wothe wa kuongerera magoti riri thogora wa muturire wambatirite na gikiro kinene indi ingiona mbeca tu kuhetukira ngombo na kana magoti.
Not our intention to increase more taxes to Kenyans. And please understand that the problem of Kenya is not taxes, it's public debt. The government is really trying very hard to contain the situation. But as you may be aware, because of the dollar by the Federal Reserve of America,
ona gukiugwo thirikari ni gathiriirie imwe cia mitaratara yao imwe yao ari sekta-ini ya ugendi na kuria yongereire ati ni amukirite kigina kia ciringi bilioni 650 kuhetukira sekta. Mwaura akiuga ati ni manogetio ni igoti kurugamia mamwe ma maundu maria thirikari irenda, akiuga mamwe mao mumanete na kiuteti.
Akiamua kutumia koti kusambaratisha mipango ya serikali, ni mwananchi ambaye ataumia. Hivi vita ambavyo tunaviona vingine vikikwenda mahakamani ni vita vya kisiasa. Na lazima kuwe na maridhiano, kwa sababu uamuzi ambao jaji anaufanya usiwe kwamba unatiliwa shaka eti kwa sababu
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Nitugwaka Weru wa Jogu.